So if you find braiding really tricky, this tutorial is for you. So we're going to do a fake French braid. We're going to take a slice of hair from the top of the head and we're going to break it into two sections. Then you're going to cross the bottom section over the top. You're then going to add into that right section, cross it over the top. Keep doing this so that section nearest to the face, you're adding in hair, crossing it over. And you'll keep doing this all the way to the nape of the neck. Trying to keep it nice and tight as you go. You don't want it too loose at this point. All the way down to the bottom there, just adding in, keeping that tension there. Keep crossing it over away. Then you're going to break these two sections into three. And you're just going to do an ordinary 3-strand braid. And this will lock in that style. If you keep twisting all the way down, it'll just kind of unravel. And then I like to go back through and just tease this out. Make it look a little bit looser and boho. Just kind of teasing all the way up. And then you'll do exactly the same on the other side. So the section that's nearest to the face, you're crossing over the top. And then you're adding in, crossing over the top, all the way to the nape of the neck again. Again, you're breaking those strands into 3, braiding all the way down and teasing out. And I just think this style looks so cute and boho, much easier than a French braid. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.